is your YouTube channel not growing? So you're thinking of running ads to get more views and subscribers? Hold that thought, man. What if I told you that YouTube ads might actually stop your channel from growing? Today, I have a cautionary tale to tell you. A successful YouTube ads agency owner who was one of my past clients thought about running YouTube ads and thought that the ads might actually help him get the reach that he wanted, but ads hold your channel back. Last year, I had a client, let's just call him Brian. He ran a successful Facebook and Google ads agency that was making $50,000 to $60,000 a month. You would think somebody like him would be able to crack the YouTube ads game easily, right? Wrong. So he just thought that because Google ads and Facebook ads have worked for him and his clients in the past, YouTube ads would do the same. Now here's the thing, they did not work. He reached out to me after 4 months of running YouTube ads and he was having a big problem. His YouTube channel had completely stopped growing organically, and when I pointed that out to him on our call, he was shocked. I told him to immediately stop running his ads because they are killing his channel. Ads are ruining your organic YouTube growth. Shocking, isn't it? So we started working together. He completely stopped running ads and the first month was rough. I almost thought we were gonna lose this client because he was just not getting the views that we expected he would get. Not even 200 to 300 views per video. But month 2 was better as YouTube started finally pushing new traffic to the videos again. Month 3, we had several videos hit 1,000 views. We stopped working together after that, but 6 months later, some of the videos we have produced for him now have 10,000, even 14,000 views. And it's all because we chucked the YouTube ads away and instead focused on YouTube's speciality, which is its algorithms actually working for you to get you the views and reach that you want. So why does this happen? Why do YouTube ads not perform well? And why is it a big no-no in the YouTube space to run ads? Well, here's why. First of all, ads usually have really low retention rates. People skip them. You do too. Every time you see an ad, you're not gonna watch it for more than 30 seconds unless you really like it, which is less than 0.5% of people who watch an ad. So people skip them and YouTube's algorithms read that to be a bad video. YouTube sees that people are not staying on the video for long enough, so they just completely throw that video away and never suggest it to new viewers again. Fewer people see it and eventually fewer people start seeing your whole channel, because if you're running ads on every video, YouTube thinks your whole channel is trash because nobody is really watching your videos for long enough. And this can seriously ruin your analytics. You think you're getting views, but you cannot tell the specifics of where the traffic is coming from and how they are staying on your channel after that. So it really makes it a lot trickier for you to create content and analyze what's working and what's not working because your analytics are completely skewed. So YouTube's algorithm is less likely to recommend a video that's boosted with ads. That means forget about going viral. Even getting a couple hundred views organically is just extremely hard after that. And the other thing is that you risk attracting viewers who aren't genuinely interested in your content because YouTube throws out an ad to a bunch of people depending on how good you are at actually selecting your target audience and doing everything properly on the back end. If you're really good, like my client was, even then you're still gonna have a major problem. So if you're somebody who's not good at running ads, well, you have an even bigger problem. Now, this is not just the case with one of my clients. I've also worked with other people who have several hundreds of thousands of followers on YouTube who tried running ads because their organic reach was dropping and it led them down the same path. They were getting 10,000, 15,000 views per video that they were running ads on, and when they did not run an ad, they got like 200, 300 views. For somebody who has more than 100,000 subscribers, that's crazily bad. So there's also some other problems that are there in general with running ads. The first one being it's high expense and low ROI. The ads cost keep rising and you might find that returns anyway don't justify the investment, especially when you're targeting views or subscribers. Because anyways, those people who come from ads are very less likely to stay with your brand because in general, ads harm your brand. In a platform where authenticity is king, running ads can make you seem like you're trying to take shortcuts to get an audience. And your audience, they can smell that inauthenticity from a mile away. So in what situation should you run ads on your YouTube channel? There's only 2 reasons that I found justifiable enough to run ads. So the first situation is when you're not building a personal brand or a brand on YouTube at all. You don't have subscribers, you don't care about gaining subscribers or views. You just want to use ads to get high paying paying customers for your product or for your services. In that case, ads work well because you don't care about building an audience anyways organically, so you might as well just use ads to get there. But there's still a problem here, you see. Ads don't scale, organic content does. So you have to spend the same amount of money to run ads and film them and script them out and do all of that jazz as you would to actually film out YouTube videos. But YouTube videos scale with time. Organic content scales with time and brings you inbound leads instead of having to chase people and doing the outbound stuff that you usually do with running ads. Another reason that you could be running ads is if you have a product that you want to sell, you already have an audience. You can retarget that audience by opening a new YouTube account and running ads from that account to retarget the current subscriber base that you have on your current channel. So that way you don't skew up the analytics, you don't screw up anything related to your brand. You just retarget people who are already part of your community by running ads to them. So in both situations, the only reason you should run ads on a channel is if that channel is not meant for organic growth anyway. So what's the alternative paths then? What can you do instead? Well, like you would have probably guessed through the video, you just use organic content to its advantage. You see, unlike ads, organic growth is a pull mechanism. People find your content because they're interested in it, leading to higher engagement, more loyalty, and eventually conversions. So focus on SEO, engage with your audience, work on collaborations, and just creating content that will be attracting the right viewers in order to get views. So really, that's all I know about YouTube ads from my experience with my clients. So before you throw your money at YouTube ads, consider Brian's story and the other client who I've told you who has over 100k subscribers on YouTube and started struggling because he paid an agency to run ads for him. So these are just a few of many people who have learned the hard way that ads can do more harm than good, especially on a platform that's so powerful like YouTube. So anyways guys, if you found this video insightful, share it with someone who's also on the verge of making the exact same mistake. And until next time, remember, it's not about throwing money at your problems, it's about understanding them. So see you in the next video, but also if you need help with YouTube organic growth, be sure to check out the links in the description. Peace.